To add signature in your PDF file, first you want to come to your browser. I just want you to know that this same process works the same way if you're using your phone, and search for Adobe. This will come up. This is the one I want you to click on, the one that says download Adobe Acrobat Reader free PDF viewer. Once we click to open that, you would see here it says download Acrobat Reader. I usually like to remove the add-on it comes with, or you can leave it depending on what works for you. But I usually like to remove this one in particular because I don't need the add-on. You can leave both, but once you're happy with that, you can now click on download the PDF reader. If you click on that, it is going to install into your PC. You see what it's saying here. This is how it will install in your PC. Then you open it. When you go through that process, you can complete the process. I already have Adobe Acrobat installed in my device, so I'll go to my file manager here and come to the file I want to add the signature to. This is the file I want to add signature to. I will right click on it and you will see open with. You want to go through open with and select the app you want to open the PDF with. For us is the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So we're going to click on that and our PDF opens. These are the tools you're going to use here. So I'm going to come over this tool here. You want to click on it and it says add signature or add initials. So we'll click on add signature and you see my full name has come out because I've already done this before. But I don't want to use my full name as the signature I am adding. I want to upload an image that I signed my signature on and took a picture of it. So I will go over to image here. This is the signature I have here. I will double tap on it and you see your signature here. If you want the signature to be saved so that every time you don't need to upload it, you allow the save signature checked as it is. So you're going to click on apply and you see your signature now is following my mouse. So I'm going to find which part of the document I want to add this signature. If I want to add it here and I will now click and it draws. See, you have the option to expand your signature to be bigger or you can make it smaller depending on how you want the size of your signature to be. If I still want to drag it into a different page, I can keep it here. And also if I want to add date and time, I'm going to go to this tool here that says fill in form fields and I will click on it. And you see it says type text here. I'm going to click any part of my screen to now add date and time. You can see the date. Today's date is whatever today's date is. You can now write your date into your signature. And once you're done, you just click out. You see you can move it around if you have this. You can make it bolder. You can make it smaller. Or you can take it out. Once you've added your text, you can also choose the color of the text you want, the color you want to use for your text. So if we decide to give our text a red color, you see that change. And it says keep signature black, or if you want to check that, you see nothing actually happens. So, and once you're done with your signature and you want to save this document as a different document that you want to work, you don't want to save it on the original document that was sent to you, you do Ctrl S on your keyboard and it comes up as save as. You want to choose the folder you want to save in. I will leave it as the same folder and you see this and it will say save and you save that document. But if you want to just save it in the same document you opened it as, once you click on this, close the PDF, it will say, do you want to save changes to this document? And you click on yes, and it saves that changes. At any point you want to remove the signature, you can come back, follow the same process. Let's select signature, and we are able to select our signature, delete, able to select this, and we delete.